name is Andrea Helinga, and we have a couple medical practices, and we started using National Strategic probably about a year ago. They've done a great job for us since then. We brought them on for one business originally, and then we started using them for the other two because we really liked what was happening with the practice that we were using them for. We were having a lot of issues with our phone staff not answering calls correctly. We weren't having a lot of consistency with the calls. We were trying to increase the number of new patients into our practice, and we were also looking for organic growth through our website rather than paying a lot for pay-per-click and that sort of thing. So they implemented a phone script for us, and they worked with our girls on to how to implement that, everything from tonality to sticking to the script when there were difficult questions being answered, and they just implemented a really structured training program that was really unbelievable how it turned the practice around in a very short amount of time, and we could immediately see revenue increasing due to that. We switched over to National Strategic, and immediately we started growing really quickly with that practice as well. When National Strategic came on, they had a very structured approach to training, so they even actually helped us interview and hire the right staff for the phone, structured the script so that it was done in a certain amount of time. So the calls were shorter. We didn't have to have the staffing volume that we thought we were going to need. And the clients were happier and got the correct information, which translated into happier customers later on because the customers had been given the correct information on the phone. Taken just a personal approach. We've been really impressed with that from the beginning. A lot of companies, you'll just sign up with them and then you feel like they give you lip service at the beginning, but then they never really perform. And National Strategic has consistently performed above and beyond our expectations with everything, with all three practices. There's a personalized approach. There's a lot of creative problem solving, and there's a lot of experience behind what you guys do, which makes it so helpful because instead of struggling and trying to figure things out, you guys bring that experience with you, and you guys actually know how to implement it. You have the staff, the resources to do that. So one of the issues is when you have multiple companies in different states, it's really difficult to be able to be on site at all locations and able to know everything that's going on. And details are very important to the practice, especially in medical practices. So one of the advantages of being with National Strategic, which has been amazing, is that you guys are so detail-oriented and that you've got such creative problem-solving approaches to things, is that if we come to you with an issue that we're having or something that we need to have addressed, you guys take it and run with it, and you can handle every part of it from the beginning to end. And then with time, you can continue to make sure that whatever process you put in place is continuing to be addressed and honed and improved. And that has helped us tremendously with me and my husband with growing the locations. You guys are handling all the details so that we can focus on what we're good at, which is being physicians and being able to make sure that we provide better and better patient care. So the patients are happier, we have better patient care, and you guys can handle all the details and really support us for the growth that we're seeing. Incredible relationship between you guys. The experience behind what you guys do is incredible. Like, we never could have imagined growing as quickly as we have, not having you guys on board. And just a personalized approach, and Eugene being so knowledgeable about everything and having such great people at your company that have such good knowledge base and have such great follow-through and really perform and do above and beyond what you guys actually say you're going to do. We've been really impressed from day one with you guys. You know, at the beginning, we never would have imagined that you could have helped us grow as much as you have and that we'd be able to see more dollars in our pockets because of it. But it's been an incredible experience working with you guys, and we can't imagine ever using another company. We would never even look for another company because of what you guys have been able to do for us. You know, we saw a great increase in conversion, not only with, you know, the sales for the phone, but also with patient retention. Our profits went up significantly each month. With that company specifically, we had over a 10% growth every month since bringing National Strategic on board. And then when we brought National Strategic on, actually as a management company for us, our growth was over 15% a month, and has continued to do that since. So you've both decreased our expenses and increased our revenue, which has been really amazing. You increased our revenue we're about 6 months ahead of where we thought our revenue projections would be. So it's been incredible growth that we've seen with you guys. And every time we need to make slight tweaks or any adjustments, you guys are right there to do it and have a creative solution. And within a week or two, we usually see great results with it. Yeah, absolutely. There's no question that we would recommend you guys to everybody. There's no question in my mind that you could help any company grow beyond what they think is possible. And you guys have delivered over and above with everything that you've come on for. I would recommend you guys highly to anybody who is interested in making more money or helping their business grow and making their lifestyle better, because you guys handle all the details and all the things that it can get really difficult for business owners. But you guys have great staff, and you're a great support to business owners, and it's been incredible having you guys on board. We're looking forward to more growth.